It's the Mahavikas Aghadi, meanwhile, specifically in Maharashtra, upping the ante against the Bharatiya Janata Party. So it appears to be a strategy of the India bloc to go charging at the Bharatiya Janata Party this election season. And this is over Batenge to Katenge remark that was first made by Yogi Adityanath, the UP Chief Minister. Uddhav Thackeray has now said, I quote him here, three Mahayuti brothers are looting Maharashtra. He's referring to the three senior leaders you see on your screen who are from different alliance partners and formed the Mahayuti. Uddhav Thackeray has said loot and distribute attack at the BJP. And he's saying while they say batenge to katenge, Uddhav Thackeray says the new version is lootenge or batenge is BJP's motto.
यांची जी काय वृत्ती आहे लुटेंगे और बांटेंगे म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र लुटेंगे आणि दोस्तों को बांटेंगे ही यांची खरी गोष्ट आहे. बांटेंगे या कटेंगे वगैरे नाहीये. महाराष्ट्राला लुटणार आणि आमच्या म्हणजे त्यांच्या दोस्तांना वाटणार, वाटायचा, लुटायचा आणि वाटायचा.
ये कोई अधिकृत बयान बीजेपी से किसी का नहीं है. ये शायद बाहर से कोई बयान झूठे बयान करवा रहा है. बीजेपी ने अपने आप को इससे डिस्टेंस किया है. भाजपा के कोई नेता ने ऐसा बयान नहीं किया है.
All right, so this is what is happening right now. Vidya is joining me live this morning. Vidya, good morning. The last leg of campaigning, so all sorts of creative sloganeering also coming to the fore. But do you think this is very interesting? On one side, election commission is where Congress complaint has been sent, and now the India bloc is also rising against the BJP. What do you think is happening on the ground in the last few days now as they reach out to the voters?
Well, of course, the narrative and rhetoric is, becoming more shriller with the fact that you see more severe attacks, more personal attacks being made against each and every other party who is standing in the opposition. And of course, as we have been seeing, the Mahavikas Aghadi has been very categorically saying, as you heard Uddhav Thackeray say, that, it is the BJP which has got the best of the slogans right now, which is not cutting and butting, but it is looting and batting. So these kind of allegations, these kind of rhetoric is actually coming in the forefront. Even more than what the people have in their manifesto. Now, today we will be seeing Raj Thackeray coming out with a manifesto in some time where he will be putting out his own, and this also might include, the loudspeaker issue on the various mosques across Maharashtra that he has been raising. So that might find its way in the manifesto as well. So we will be seeing a more religion-based, narrative that being given out, more community-related thoughts being put out rather than, what people really want. Say, for example, there are issues of job loss, jobs not being there, the fact that there are issues related to law and order, and those issues are not really being talked about. Many people do speak about it as to rising cost of living. All those issues are not being...
But I have to say, Vidya, all our leaders this time, irrespective, have jumped in more to the rhetorics that we have heard, which are becoming sharper, uglier, rather than what the promises on the issues are, or they are just perhaps free financial assistance that's being given. So we'll be tracking what the last leg of campaigning will be like in Maharashtra. Vidya, thank you very much for now. So just barely few days to go now. November 20th is when the Maharashtra elections are going to be held. Now, Prime Minister Modi, he's the star campaigner for the BJP. He's been in Mumbai back and forth with this last leg of campaigning. In the election-bound state, he has directly hit out at the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance. Now, interestingly, he invoked Bala Saheb Thackeray, the tallest political figure for the state of Maharashtra, and targeted Uddhav Thackeray over this, that he, the son of Bala Saheb Thackeray, allied with the Congress party. And then he's also added that the Thackeray son should get Rahul Gandhi to hail Bala Saheb as a Hindu Hriday Samrat, as he was known. He's accusing the Aghadi alliance that they've become a slave to appeasement politics. Meanwhile, if Prime Minister Modi is there, so is the star campaigner for the Congress party, that's Rahul Gandhi. In Nanded, Rahul Gandhi trained guns at the Prime Minister over the Samvidhan issue. He's declared that he's the one fighting for the principles in practice of the Constitution.